So this is day number 11 in our 30-day series of the 30-day Best Easy Work relaunch. So today I have another traffic source that I want to introduce you to, and it's another free traffic source. Now this traffic source is going to be a great traffic source for you because you could place up to 10 ads on this traffic platform. And this platform has been around for a very long time and have quite a large number of people on the platform. So the name of this traffic source I'm going to introduce you to is called Traffic Swarm. Traffic Swarm been around for a very long time, like I mentioned, lots of people on this platform, and you can put up to 10 ads on this platform, and it's free to join. So the action step for today is you definitely want to check out the description box to get the link to get to this page after I introduce you to how you can use this platform. So I'm going to dive right into it, and so you can see the traffic platform is called Traffic Swarm here. Now with Traffic Swarm, you can see that you can sign up for free, and you can see that it has, look at all these members here. It's been around since 2004. So it's a long-standing platform that, you know what, it wouldn't have been lasting this long if it wasn't doing something right. So that's it. You could just go to the site when you get the link, click on the Join Now button, and when you click on the Join Now button, you'll be taken to a page that you could, put in all your details and join the platform. So I'm going to take you to my back office here where I'll show you a couple of things here. Now when you join Traffic Swarm, a pretty simple platform to use. I definitely recommend that you go through all the details here, click around. But as you can see, a really nice looking platform, right? With lots of activity happening here. So really a great site to be on and place your ads. So the thing you want to do when you get the traffic ad site, is you can always go to My Training if you're not sure of what to do. So under My Training, it kind of walks you through how you could create your ads, how you could serve ads, what do you do with your credits, and all that stuff. But I'm going to give you a brief overview of the platform and then, let you get at it to go do your thing on this platform. So you want to go to My Ads because you want to place an ad on here. And when you click on My Ads, all you got to do is create new ad. And then it brings up a different window here. Okay. So I already placed my ad here. It says, sorry, you're only allowed one URL until you activate your account. So you have to go activate your account. And when you activate your account, then you'll get access to pretty much the full platform. Okay. So you definitely want to, activate your account. So I've made a screenshot of how you can actually add your ad. So you click on Create New Ad. And when you click on Create New Ad, actually, I don't have that. What's going to happen is it's going to walk you through a series of things that just wants you to fill in. And you just fill in the details. Just make sure that you have the link you want to promote on the site, because it's going to ask you for it. So normally I promote with this link. That's my lead capture page that I promote. So I promote with this link, and that's the link I just put on there. So you definitely want to do that as well. Click the link. And of course you want to verify your account so you can place more than one ad like I have on here. I just have one ad. So once you do that, you'll have access to put up to 10 ads on this one site, and then you can start surfing for credits. Now keep in mind the admin has to approve your ad before it's live. So that's the only thing. You have to wait for this thing to approve, and it could take up to 24 hours. So you want to place all your ads so they can start getting in the midst of getting approved. Then you definitely want to start surfing right away. And to start surfing, you can see I clicked the surf button right here. And then it opened up this window here. And then it presents all the ads you're able to look at. Now here's the beautiful thing about this. Because it actually lists all the ads here, people have a choice in what they could click on. So you want to create your ad. So when you create your ad, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to place your ad in a little box. It's going to have a headline, a sub body here. So that's how you're going to create your ad, with a headline and a body and a link. And you can see, when I click on here, it's hyperlink. So I could actually click on this one, and you can see that it opens in a new window. And I'm going to show you that it tells you how many seconds you have left to click down, and it tells you how much credits you're going to earn. So after the 9 seconds is up, I'm going to earn 3 credits, and then I can go on to the next ad. So I got about 2 seconds there, so I'm going to wait till that timer closes, and then you'll see I'll have 3 credits. So I've just earned 3 credits, and then you hit go, and then you continue on. So surf as much as you can to get, you know, enough credits. And I'm going to click on this one, and so you could actually start applying them to your ad. Okay, so I have 12 seconds there to look and check this out. I'll just check it out, and I have 7 seconds there. Okay, perfect. So that one's all set. Now I hit go, and then it moves me on to the next ad. So you can see the process there. And then when you come back here, you know, you could assign your credits to your ads. So you could also edit your ads. You could copy it, you could delete it, and of course, the admin has to approve your ads, right? Review it and approve it so it can be active on the site. So here's what you want to do today. Go ahead and sign up for Traffic Swarm, a really big traffic exchange that allows you to, you know, place up to 10 ads on here. So this is another free advertising source in your arsenal. This was advertisement source number 6. So you're getting quite a few advertising places that you could actually place ads on. As Traffic Swarm, one of the definite tried and true places that you could go ahead and place ads. So go ahead, check out the description box below to get the link to get to this place to sign up for Traffic Swarm. As you can see, easy system. And like always, make sure you're using your junk email to sign up for these traffic exchanges or these free platforms I'm mentioning to you, because you will get some ads from the platform, and you definitely want to keep those separate from your personal email inbox information that you're getting. So this is Traffic Ads Swarm, guys. Definitely sign up, get an account with them, so you could start advertising this platform. And it's really a nice platform. It lays everything out nice and clean once you get in, so you can see how your stats are going. And it does some amazing things. Just the way the ads are placed. If you check out the ads here, I mean, you could really get some good traffic coming from the site if you craft a very good headline and a body here, because then people will definitely see it and say, you know what, that's very interesting, I want to click on it. So make sure you put some engaging stuff on this site here so people would really want to click on it and check out what you got. So that's it for this video, guys. In tomorrow's video, I got another traffic source for you, so make sure you tune in to tomorrow's video.